biggest Hummer in the world. And it drives. This crazy creation was based on this amphibious military truck. It has one 265 horsepower GMC diesel engine per axle and can reach a top speed of 32 kilometers per hour. Each tire costs $25,000, Bugatti Who, and it's 3 times wider, 3 times longer, and 3 times taller than a regular H1. To get in, take the stairs. Here is a kitchen and a restroom, and if you go to the second floor, you'll find a beautiful majlis, and the driver's seat is just here. This is your steering wheel. Here are the buttons to start your 4 engines. The pedals are here, and the rest, just don't ask me. Just let me relax.